back in my bag, and that's just
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and today we are on the 10th day of GLAM'MAS. I cannot believe I have been consistently uploading for 10 days. If y'all are not new to this channel, then y'all know this is like, this is a moment for us. I'm so excited to share this gorgeous blue look with you guys. I'm just like, I'm gagging because I'm really becoming a color girl again. I'm so sorry if y'all hear that motorcycle outside of my house. People don't got no manners, but I don't want to keep y'all long. You know, I love you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it. When I say we pulled out the OG, triple OGs for this look, I mean it. So using my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade 01 and my Urban Decay brush from the Meadows palette to lay down the eyeshadow base, I'm just putting that all over the lid because I really wanted the pastel shade to pop out, and then I'm further blending it with my Real Techniques brush. Now for my palette, I am going to be using another old product, but the black owned brand that we're featuring today is Fenty Beauty. You guys see me use this in all of my tutorials. This actually wasn't the star of the show from Fenty Beauty, but I did want to give the pastels from the palette that I'm using something to transition into. Y'all, listen. Girl, not this palette so damn old, it's falling apart. That is crazy. Wow. I was so embarrassed, and it was only me in the house. That's crazy. But using my Modern Matte palette from BH Cosmetics and my Morphe, what number is this brush? I just had it in front of me. My Morphe 518 brush. I'm using it to pat all over the mobile lid. Now, while I'm doing this voiceover, I wanted to just tell you guys that it probably would have been smarter for me to just use my MAC 213 brush to pat this light blue pigment all over my mobile lid and then blend it out. But of course, I chose to be difficult. Either way, the look still turned out gorgeous. But if you guys would like to cut time, definitely recommend using some sort of flat shader brush to apply the pigment, so that way you guys don't have to keep going over it the way that I was going over it. But once the color started to pay off, it paid off. You feel me? So look at that blue. Like, it's just, I'm so in love with this look, y'all. It's so good.
I love it. I'm excited. So, Issa, we always start.
I'm back in my bag, and that's just this eye blue. Me never. Let's get back to the tutorial. I feel like I sound like a broken record saying this, but I'm just so glad to be back dabbling in color. It really does feel like I just jumped back into my career all over again, because I used to really love to play in color. So for my lower lash line, I basically did the same thing that I did on the top onto the bottom lid. Start off with Cocoa Naughty to give that pastel shade something to adhere to. And then also, as far as brushes, I really wish that I wouldn't have used this Morphe 139 brush because it was a little too big for the area, but let's forget that. On to the star of the show. Minted Mojito Kilowatt Pigment. I knew that when I was going through my list for 12 days of GLAM'MAS, I wanted to use this, and it really did what it needed to do. You guys also know that I've been loving the Idol mascara from Lancome. If you have not tried it, make sure you try it. And then I went in with the white shadow that also fell out of this palette at the beginning of the video to brighten up the inner corners. Y'all know I love a matte white inner eye. For my lip, per usual, using my baby 427 Beauty, link in bio to shop the products. I am using the lip tracer in the shade Chalk. I absolutely love my lip pencils, like just so good. For the lip, I'm using In Cream, and that's currently on pre-order right now on the site as well. It's just this gorgeous. Just it just, when I named it In Cream because it just reminds me of like feeling like I love how this lip looks. Now, this is not the star of the show, but I'm very proud of this. Going from someone who literally begged for a job at MAC for 7 years, like literally starting my senior year in high school, to now being chosen to do a campaign for them is insane to me. They sent me these 2 blushes. Warm Soul was the first one, and this pink one, it's like rose something. I can't think of the name, but you guys know it will be listed down below in the description box. But these mineralized blushes are gorgeous. They completed this look. They just chef's kiss. This look is just, get into it. Like, look at me. I look so beautiful, and I'm having so much fun with this 12 days of GLAM'MAS. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love y'all, and I will see y'all at day 11.